23 signs a girl likes you but is trying not to show it. There are many such clear signs that a girl likes you but tries not to show it. Girls have little subtle clues that give them what they have in mind. They will try hard to hide their true feelings. Instead, they will give you a path of tips to pursue. If there are signs that a girl likes you but tries not to show it, welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Media YouTube channel. Don't miss latest more social psychology videos. Watch this video to the end and learn 23 traits of this video. Let's start. Number 1. She wants to know if you have a relationship. This is the first sign that a girl is showing up when you like her, because not everyone wants to compete for attention in a relationship. So, if a girl likes you, the first thing she wants to know is if there is already someone in your life. She may not ask the question directly, but may occasionally turn to discuss her own love life. When she starts to emphasize that she is single and asks questions about who you are dating, take it as a sign that she is ready to come out of the circle of friends with you. The next time a girl asks if you have a girlfriend, it's safe to read between the lines, but do not rush to jump to conclusions here. Consider the other signs listed below to make sure before you take that step towards her. Number 2. She pays close attention to you. One way a girl can tell if you are like is by how well she pays attention to what you do and say. She is a very observant person, but in general, she pays attention because she likes you so much. She remembers the details of what you two talked about, and she watches as you respond to things, showing empathy and sympathy. Number 3. She is restless around you for no reason. Sure, she may be nervous for a reason you do not know, but if she seems to be around you for no apparent reason and in an exciting way, you can use something more than her friend's radar. It was a relaxing day in the park, and she smiles weirdly and catches her breath when you look at her. When you make a joke the way a romantic girl feels, she smiles nervously and touches your hand. These are big signs. If you're just a friend, she's not going to be around you. Also, she may think she's hidden that she likes you, but the truth is, you cannot control your nerves. If she likes you, she will be naturally restless because she has feelings for you and wants to impress you. Number 4. She responds to your body language. The other side of the coin is how she responds to your body language. Most boys pay attention to what a girl says and few pay enough attention to their body language. And this is a big mistake. This is because women are so adapted to the signals that a man's body gives. And if your body language gives the right signals, she will not respond to you with a resounding yes. Let's face it, having a good look and shape can be beneficial for women. More important, however, are the signals you give them. Because it does not matter what you look like or how rich you are. If you are short, fat, flat, or stupid, any man can learn a few simple body language techniques that will force women to see you more than a friend. Number 5. She wants to talk to you. Start a conversation with her. If she's happy to talk to you, that's a good sign. Some couples can click and talk for hours from the moment they start talking. If she is restless, she may have difficulty speaking. Give her a chance to be comfortable with you. Ask her questions and wait for her to answer. She may need some time to gather her thoughts. Risk symptoms are that she is lazy or shrugs off your questions and answers. Or, even worse, number 6. She simply knows things. I will not say she is mental or anything else. She already knows that you are single, perhaps because she has asked your friends or someone has asked your friends the truth about this matter. This girl also remembers the smallest detail you said. That's because you have her in mind and she wants to get conversations from where you left off. Number 7. She is interested in what you like. Suppose a girl is interested in a sport you like. What if she does not shout that you like her now? Most women do not like sports, but anyone you like can make an exception if she is one of sports haters. You will find that she wants you to do things you love with her, including watching soccer games that she does not normally do or supporting a cause you desire. In general, if she's always interested in knowing what you like and getting involved with, it's a green light, proof that she's in you. It basically means she always wants to be around you and is looking for any excuse to do it. Number 8. She does like to introduce you to her friends. When a girl likes you, she is eager to show you to her friends, and of course, she has told them a lot about you. Most women will not agree with this, but women tend to get the approval of their friends about the boy they like. So one of the reasons she wants you to meet her friends is because she wants to hear their opinions. The next time a girl tells me you want to meet my friends, she tells you that she likes you and wants to be with you for a long time. Knowing how women hide their feelings and wait for men to move on, this may be your tip to take that step if the feeling is reciprocal. Number 9. She finds reasons to touch you. She always finds excuses to touch you. Does she sit next to you and touch you often? It's a clear indication that she is attracted to you. She wants to be close to you, and she has no better way or means to touch your hands or hair. She may be pretending to remove something imaginary from your hand or hair. Sometimes she rubs small pieces on your chest. Some girls lightly muddy. Others enthusiastically hold your hand. She likes you if she touches you often. Number 10. She is a really good listener. There is much more to being a good listener than just letting the other person talk without interruption. Pay attention to how she behaves when you speak. A good listener listens to what you say and even offers feedback, asking follow-up questions to show empathy and understanding of what you just said. This is also a sign of a great girl. Number 11. She hugs you. Does she always hug you? We hug only those we like. Hugging you can be an excuse to get closer to yourself and experience the feeling of your body. Maybe she likes you, but you can't say it in words. It may be easier for her to use other strategies, such as hugging you and getting her very close to you. Embraces come in many forms. Some girls hug around the guys they like. It can be a welcome embrace as you walk down the street or in the mall. But other girls are more likely to wrap a calm hand around your shoulder. For example, if you sit down and struggle with a problem with your computer, she leans on your shoulder and hugs you, making sure you can solve the problem. Number 12. She asks you questions a lot. Again, she tries to get to know you, but if you listen closely, you will see that there is much more to it. She may need your advice because she needs your opinion or expertise on the subject. This is a little trick the girls do to open us up to them. This is their romantic tactic. She may pretend she does not know the things she really knows. This girl often tries to talk to you more about the questions that are open to you, the ones that need more than answers yes or no. Another clue is that she asks about other girls. This is her innocent way of saying that you are hot for someone else, assuming you are hot for her. Pay attention to these seemingly innocent questions because they are scoring. Number 13. She will give you presents. Although there are women who buy gift crops, regardless of how big the men are, often women use this gesture to show how much they care. Thus, if a woman starts giving you a gift, especially when there is no ceremony, it is a sure sign that she is trying to express her feelings towards you. It could mean something else, so be sure to read the signs carefully. Do not distort it, but these gifts should not be expensive before she writes that she cares about you. Of course, the cheaper ones can get more value than anything else. When you lose your favorite cup of coffee, not only will she see it, but she will go out of her way to give you a jug that suits you. A gift can be as simple as a pen, but the important thing is that she focuses on your daily activities and needs, and it tells you a lot about her feelings towards you. Number 14. When you look around, you will see her. The person who seems to be your shadow chasing you almost everywhere makes you feel good, but she's ashamed to throw the cat out of the bag. Do not distort it. In addition, you will find that the girl you like is always present wherever you go, and if you are friends, she will try to start a conversation. This is how she can get her attention, and it is up to you to look at the mark and read it. So the next time you run into her at the gym or at your favorite bar, it might not be wrong to conclude that she is trying to be around you. Number 15. She talks to you about her day. It would seem like a normal friend thing, randomly texting someone at the end of the day and telling them about the little things that happened to you that day. She may treat you like every other friend. But think about it. Will she do this with anyone else or any other boy? Will she continue to do it with you? Are there times when she will stop talking to you? Maybe when you are dealing with another girl. Number 16. She treats you differently. If you do not see this, you should start watching it. Does she behave differently around you than when she is with other people? Does she look too energetic or quieter than usual when you are around her? Check how she is around others to see if this sign is relevant to your potential relationship. Number 17. She is very helpful. Boys often do this with girls as a way of showing that we like them. If she makes it a point to help you with your homework or make you drive while your car is in the shop, it's a good sign that this. Number 18. She makes you smile, giggle. She gives you a lot of compliments to see you smile. She can relieve stress by making jokes. Also, you may have seen her smile at jokes that are not so funny. Number 19. She always smiles at you. Even when she is stressed or depressed, she always smiles for you. If she keeps your face in her mind, she will take a deep breath or sigh every time she sees your smile. It illuminates her inside. As soon as you see her, happy brain is full of chemicals and renews her energy. She expects you to be the most in the world. Number 20. She incorporates you into her plans. When she's planning for future events or the weekend, she includes you because she wants to get involved. She wants you to be a force in her life. So, if she intends to attend a wedding, she will ask you to be her +1. If she is planning some fun for the weekend, she will invite you to join her. She hopes will do the same for her. Number 21. She posts your photos on her social media. If she posts your pictures on her social media timeline, she sends a clear message that you are important. If she posts photos of the two of you together, she already sees you as a couple, unless something in her post description explains your relationship. Number 22. She shares her personal information with you. She talks to you about her plans, dreams, or her struggles because she wants you to have a more important place in her life. She can tell you things about you to test your interest in her. Number 23. She hints at availability. Next is her willingness to hint that she is not in a relationship, and if you are equally inclined, she is open to exploring what you have together. Thanks so much for watching. Check out this next